also some golf, bike riding, walks in the park, everything but cutting the lawn. You don't have to worry about that. But certainly nice enough to do all those outdoor activities, and then it's time to pay back to January after what happened this past weekend.
Yeah, the cooler air is making that return, Patrick. In fact, my 7-day forecast is no 70-degree temperatures. Yeah, this is what the highs looked like yesterday. 70 Providence. It was the warmest January temperature ever recorded at TF Green Airport, and that's in more than 100 years of keeping records. 68 in Smithfield, the high yesterday, 67 in Newport. Back to reality, leading our three key things today. In an active pattern, the first two little disturbances coming through later Tuesday, early Thursday, those ones aren't very significant. They'll just bring a few rain showers, but we're watching a weekend storm threat, maybe cold enough for some wintry weather. It's looking like Saturday and Saturday night is the timing of that. Outside right now, our roadways are dry, but the clouds and the cool air have rolled in. 38 in Providence, 39 Newport, 35 in Smithfield, and we're back to talking about wind chill. Feels like 31 in New Bedford, 29 Smithfield, and 37 in Westerly. If you're up in Boston or driving that way, got a few snow flurries that are moving through. Nothing that's significant or slowing down the commute, but what a change from just 24 hours ago. They hit low 70s in Boston this weekend. Well, it's an easterly wind that's going to be driving in the clouds and the cool air. The winds right now are sustained between 5 and 10 miles per hour most of the time. So light winds and overcast skies, East Providence, if you're doing a little exercising this morning. Back to needing your more typical January weather gear. Our forecast for the morning hours, very slow climb in temperatures with the cloud cover around. Will still be in the upper 30s late morning and then climbing into the lower 40s in the afternoon. Spots coming in a few degrees warmer than normal. Lower 40s Tiverton, Westerly, cloudy and cool. And we'll hold on to dry conditions in Johnston, Woonsocket, Burrillville and Foster, Coventry at about 39. And we're cloudy in Attleboro, Seekonk this afternoon. Lower 40s. That's 20 to 30 degrees cooler than yesterday afternoon. It'll be a cool evening. The clouds gradually giving way to a little bit of clearing by dawn tomorrow morning, and with that the temperatures will drop into the lower 30s. So we are actually tracking two disturbances, but they both miss our areas. One staying up into Canada, the other tracking well to the south of us, and all we get out of that is that extra cloud cover. But by 11 o'clock tonight, we're starting to see the clouds on the way out. We wake up to some sunshine on Tuesday. It doesn't last all day. We'll see the clouds rolling back in, and that first little chance for rain showers passing through here Tuesday evening and into the early part of Tuesday night. Let's talk about the weekend. So here's the setup for Saturday. Cold air coming in and settling in for Friday, which means initially starting off with some snowfall. This area of low pressure may deliver potentially some accumulating snow. It's going to depend on the track, the intensity and the timing, but it is something we're watching. It may flip over to rain too for a time. So in our 7-day forecast, 40s first couple of days this week, 52 Wednesday. It's the pick of the week. I have a few rain showers for Thursday, followed up by that shot of cold air. Friday's high only near 30. It looks like 30s for highs over the weekend. A lot to keep you updated on. You want to